Hey you crazy critters, how the heck are you all doing today? I got in late last night from Los Angeles. I was out there attending a conference and meeting some of you folks. And what else was I doing? Doing some meetings and networking and all that great stuff. It was a fantastic trip. I'm also so glad to be home. I mentioned in my last video that I had a surprise to share with you, so I'm going to share that surprise now. I was invited to attend the In Cosmetics event in New York City. So for those of you who don't know what In Cosmetics is, it is one of the leading cosmetic ingredients conferences. This is where you can go and find out about innovative products, and they really pride themselves on hands-on demonstrations. So you can go and you can have a completely what would you say, tactile and sensory experience, right? So you can touch things and you can smell the fragrances and you can see all the pretty colors, and so it really is this full spectrum event. I've always wanted to go in the past and just have never been able to, mostly because I'm in California and the event's in New York, and it takes a lot of time and effort to get over there, but they invited me to attend this year and my schedule was free, so I need to basically wash all my clothes today and then repack my suitcase because I'm headed out to New York tomorrow morning. The conference actually happens October 17th and 18th, so that's going to be Wednesday and Thursday. What I wanted to do today was plan what I'm going to see while I'm there, because I want you to be involved in this experience and I want you to help drive the videos that I record. I want to make sure that the information that I'm sharing is interesting to you. So I figured what we'd do really quickly is pop on their website, take a look at some of the stuff that's there, and then if you guys are interested in certain things, let me know in the comments, or you can take time afterwards and dig through the website as well, and then let me know what you're interested in so I can build a schedule and make sure that I'm getting you guys what you need. So I am going to go over here to my computer. Let's see what we can explore. So it looks like there's lots of things going on. There are awards. So these are people that are doing noteworthy things in cosmetics, which might be interesting to see. Who are the key players in the industry? They have something called the Formulation Lab. Let's take a quick look at that. All right, so the Formulation Lab looks like it is expert industry formulators giving other formulators helpful hints and tips on how to develop unique products. So this just might be cool to see from an outsider's standpoint, see some of the considerations that formulators are making, and maybe we can be like a fly on the wall and check things out there. If this sounds like something interesting to you, let me know. What else do we have? They have a makeup bar. I love seeing colorful things that are just kind of like rich in color, different kinds of color. So this might be something really exciting. It looks like they are going to help visitors identify innovative pigments and technologies to deliver captivating and trend-setting color cosmetic products. So here it looks like we can experience color cosmetics for the eyes, the skin, nails, and lips. Let's see what else we got. Speed networking. Let's see what this is. We're going to be given 5 minutes to meet a visitor or an exhibitor. I think this could be pretty cool actually, because you never know who you're going to meet. At the last conference I attended, I struck up a conversation with some guy and he happened to be the CEO of World of Dance, and it was just a really cool conversation. So at these conferences, you never know who you're going to meet. It would be cool to just sit down with somebody for 5 minutes, turn the camera on if they're open to it, and see what they have to say about the cosmetic industry or why they're at this event. We have the sensory bar, which is some of what I was explaining earlier, saying that this was a very hands-on event. It looks like we're going to be able to experience some innovative new textures like jellies and butters, jellies, butters, and powders. Ooh, fragrances, surprising taste, lipstick, and oral care. Actually, this is really interesting because, hold on, my makeup bag is like right here. Oh, phooey, I don't have it in here. Well, I have this e.l.f. lipstick that I actually really like. The pigment's great on it, but it also tastes good and it smells good as well. Actually, now that I think about it, it smells good as well, and so I really like it because of that. So maybe we'll be experiencing things like this here. So that might be cool to check out. Let's see what else we have. Okay, so we have the Innovation Zone, which is about showcasing brand new personal care products. So this is going to be stuff that looks like it's been launched at the show or in the last 6 months. So it's going to be the most recent stuff, maybe stuff you haven't seen in stores yet. Oh, and then there is a formulation challenge. What is that about? Watch Colgate Palmolive, Estee Lauder, Unilever, Shiseido, Johnson & Johnson, Swiss America, CMDO compete for supremacy. Their words, not mine. Still cool. Let's see. They are going to, it looks like, assemble people into groups. They're going to put a mystery box out of personal care ingredients, and then they have 90 minutes. That's not a lot of time. 90 minutes to assemble a creation with the precision of surgeons and the knowledge of chemists. This sounds really cool as well. So they're basically going to be competing in formulation. If this sounds like something you guys want to check out, it's sort of like, what is that show? Is it Iron Chef? The Iron Chef of cosmetics. It looks like that's what this is going to be, with some very large companies. Focus on marketing, the story behind the science. So it looks like this is going to involve creating a more impactful marketing story based off of science. This might give us an idea of how they use the science to build claims. So if that's something that's interesting to you, comment on it. So last thing, it looks like they also have an educational program. So it looks like they have technical seminars, marketing trends and regulations. This might be interesting because in California, there was this animal testing ban recently. If you want to know how that affects you, I bet you can find it out through the marketing and trends. There are live demos, which we've already seen some of those, or seen some of the events that they're going to have where they're doing live demonstrations. That could be a lot of fun. They also have some online education. So it looks like there's going to be a lot of stuff going on. They have probably like 2 full days of technical seminars. Let me verify that right now. Yeah, so day 1 looks like they start at 10:30 and they finish at about 4 o'clock, with all sorts of topics. Take a look at some of these: microbial testing, anti-expression wrinkle ingredients, glycols. What else do we got here? Blue light pollution, all sorts of stuff. And they're running this for 2 days. Here's day 1. This is day 2. Also, In Cosmetics sent me a list of some really great experts. I'll probably share that on Facebook. If you're not on my Facebook, please hop over there. You can see the list of experts that I'll have access to. And what I'll do is, based off of your feedback, I will create my game plan. So this should be a really exciting event. I won't go through any more right now, but check out their website if you see something interesting, or if you have any questions, think there's an expert that I should be talking to, again, let me know, and we will divide and conquer in cosmetics together. I hope you guys have a good day. I need to go grab my laundry. I will talk to you later. Bye.